Django display once in templates. I've got a for loop in my Django template that prints out a whole bunch of results. Each result is time-stamped. I want to print an arbitrary piece of data, for example hour/, once the timestamp reaches a certain value, but I only want to print it once. This is fine, except it will print the hour for every result for which the above equates to true. What I'm after is for it to only be printed the first time. Something like. Now, since Django doesn't support assigning variables in its templates, I'm at a bit of a loss for what to do. I can think of a few ways to do it, using a template accessible class/function that switches the flag, or alternatively doing more processing in the view, but I fear that will increase the number of database calls and iterations on the data, but I'm wondering if there is a nice simple Django-y way of doing this. Thanks equals.
You can use built-in if change template tag.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.